Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a close look at the DERE Gaming Laptop, a device that blends power, performance, and style, all wrapped in a sleek silver gray chassis. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or someone who enjoys a bit of casual gaming, this laptop claims to cover all bases. But how well does it really deliver on that promise? Let's find out. First, let's break down the core specs and features. The DERE Gaming Laptop packs a Celeron N5805 processor, which is a step up from its predecessors, the N50095 and N95 models, offering up to 30% faster processing power. This is paired with 16 gigabytes of dual-channel RAM, which should be plenty for multitasking across several applications, be it web browsing, video conferencing, or juggling multiple documents. The 512GB PCIe SSD is a solid choice, offering read speeds of up to 500 megabytes per second and ensuring snappy boot-ups and fast file transfers. Storage is expandable via a 2TB TF card, giving you ample room for photos, videos, and other large files. On the display front, the 16-inch 2.5K QHD IPS panel is a standout feature. With a resolution that's 1.8 times sharper than Full HD, this screen offers a crisp and clear view, whether you're editing photos, streaming videos, or working on spreadsheets. The 100% sRGB color gamut ensures that colors are vibrant and true to life, which is particularly useful for presentations or photo work. Plus, with the ultra-narrow bezel, the screen's real estate is maximized, making multitasking smoother than ever. The battery is another area where this laptop impresses. It comes with a 72 watt-hour battery, capable of providing up to 10 hours of use on a single charge. That's ideal for those long work sessions, study marathons, or flights where you just need a laptop that won't die on you halfway through. And when you do need a recharge, the 65-watt fast-charging tech will bring the battery to 70% in just 1 hour, perfect for quick top-ups during lunch breaks or between meetings. Now let's talk about real-world performance. In terms of office and productivity use, this laptop does a solid job. Web browsing with multiple tabs open, video calls, and working through documents all run smoothly without major slowdowns. The 16GB RAM ensures that you can switch between tasks without hitting a bottleneck, while the SSD keeps things fast and responsive. Streaming is also a pleasant experience, with the sharp 2.5K display making videos look clear and vibrant. For content creators, this laptop offers decent performance for light photo editing and basic video editing tasks. The Celeron N5805 processor won't compete with higher-end chips for intense creative work, but for simpler tasks, it holds up pretty well. Export times for videos may be a bit longer compared to more powerful machines, but it's adequate for casual creators. When it comes to gaming, the DERE Gaming Laptop is best suited for light, less demanding titles. You'll be able to run games like Fortnite or League of Legends at medium settings comfortably, but more graphically intensive titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or Red Dead Redemption 2 will likely see lower frame rates or require settings to be dialed down. This is an area where the laptop's integrated GPU shows its limitations, but for casual gaming, it will still deliver a fun experience. In terms of thermals and noise, the DERE Gaming Laptop performs fairly well. The smart cooling tech helps prevent slowdowns during video calls or heavy browsing sessions. But under load, like when gaming or working with large files, you might notice some fan noise. It's not the quietest laptop on the market, but it doesn't become overwhelmingly loud either. The keyboard deck and underside stay relatively cool, making it comfortable to use for extended periods, though you might feel some heat buildup during intensive tasks. The keyboard is another highlight here. With good key travel and feedback, it's comfortable for long typing sessions, whether you're writing emails, drafting reports, or coding. The backlit keys are a nice touch, making it easier to work in low-light environments. The trackpad, while not the largest, is accurate and responsive, and palm rejection is on point. Connectivity is well covered, with 3 USB 3.0 ports, a USB-C port, an HDMI 2.0 port, and a TF card slot. These ports offer plenty of options for connecting peripherals, external monitors, or even docking stations, making this laptop versatile for both work and play. The Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth capabilities ensure stable and fast connections, whether you're online for work or streaming your favorite show. In terms of build quality, the DERE Gaming Laptop feels solid. The composite chassis is durable enough to withstand the bumps and scrapes of daily life. While the overall build is more utilitarian than premium, it's still sleek and functional, with no major flexing or creaking when you handle it. At just under 5 pounds, it's not the lightest 16-inch laptop, but it's still relatively portable and easy to carry around. Now let's talk about value. The DERE Gaming Laptop offers a lot for its price, especially when you consider the impressive 2.5K display and solid RAM and storage specs. It may not be the best choice for demanding gamers or professional content creators, but it's a great option for students, office workers, or anyone who needs a reliable all-rounder that can handle work, study, and casual gaming without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for something with more gaming power, you might want to consider laptops with dedicated GPUs, like those from Asus or Lenovo, in a similar price range, but they tend to be a bit heavier and pricier. However, for a well-rounded device that offers decent performance, great battery life, and a solid display, the DERE Gaming Laptop is a solid choice. To wrap up, the DERE Gaming Laptop offers impressive value for its price, with a well-balanced combination of performance, battery life, and display quality. It's best suited for students, office users, or casual gamers who need a reliable and affordable laptop. If you're after more raw power for gaming or high-end content creation, you may want to look elsewhere, but for most everyday tasks, this laptop should do the job just fine. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review from Reviewsinsidetv. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this laptop, drop a comment below. See you next time, and remember, don't just buy a laptop, buy the right one.